So today here we are, anyone's back garden this could be. I just want to show people and try and get people out there using lighting. With the videos I do and the book, it's all about easy accessible things to shoot and just doing it differently. Lighting can add so much to anyone's photography, just makes a huge difference. So today we're going to be going through a couple of setups, showing you some of the units and seeing what we can get. First up today is we're going to use the PIKA200. I've only just recently got this unit. I think it's a great little unit. Again, both has manual and TTL settings on there. Anyone new to lighting, I would just basically, once you get your unit and your trigger, the easiest thing to do is just turn them both on and fire. That's how easy it is. You can control how your pictures look through your camera settings, through the lighting. So again, just use a mixture. In this shoot I'm going to be using kind of some with TTL mode, some with manual mode, and everything will give me a slight difference. Again, each unit you use, I started using, you can do this kind of shooting with speed lights. That's how I started. I then progressed to using 24 speed lights duct taped together. Now life's easier because we've got these kind of units on the market. We've got the Pixapro PIKA200, and the other unit we're going to have a look at in a sec is the Pixapro CITI600 Pro. 600 watts. For the macro work, you're going to be working on the lower end of the power, just to keep it down. But again, you've got, the way this delivers a soft light is going to be different than how you use a Pika at a higher power. Each lamp I found through the 10-12 years I've been using lighting delivers everything slightly different. Even in the TTL mode to the manual, the way the light's delivered is different. So again, try everything and find your own style. Again, everything is going to be controlled by a ST4 trigger. This sits on the camera. From here I can adjust my lighting without having to move. It's so versatile. Again, I can group my lighting if I want to use more than one.